Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear ChatGPT history. So to start, open ChatGPT app, then go to the two lines at the top left. Then from here, click your profile in the top right. Next, scroll down until you see app settings. So under app settings, tap on data controls, then scroll down and look for chat history and select delete all chats. Then click on confirm, and that's it. So all of your chat history was deleted. You can also archive all chats from here. So just click on that and click on confirm. You can also see all of your archived chats. Next, you can also go to your conversation. Then just open it and click the three dots in the top right, and you should be able to delete the conversation. Next, you can also again go to your profile. Then from here, go to memory. Then go to save memories under memory summary. Then click the three dots in the top right. Then click delete all. So all of your saved memories will be deleted. And that's it. If you in the next one.